Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey. That same vehicle is known as Fiat Freemont. So if you have one of the two vehicles, the video will be helpful to you guys. In addition, we'll have so many videos, more than 200 videos made on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Now, what we'll be showing you today, guys, where to find the fuse for the rear wiper, rear window wiper. So, if your wiper doesn't work, always check the fuse. We have videos about checking relays as well, but this is your wiper, and if it doesn't work, we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check. Again, we'll have more than 200 videos. All the parts tools, including the fuses, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So we need to go to the passenger side now, and you will notice that our glove box is missing. This is because we wanted to gain a little bit more room. Okay, so we can stick the camera in there and show you where all the things are. So right here on the right side, underneath the glove box, you have a fuse box. That's the cap. We already pulled it out. Okay, and once you remove the cap, we need to locate now fuse number F115, F115. So fuse number F115 now. Okay, they don't make any sense the way they label things at Dodge. I guarantee you that. Okay, let's see where it is. It's all the way here now. You can see it says on some it will say spare, on some, okay, you're going to have things there. So this one, guys, will be that 20 amp fuse. Okay, this for the rear wiper right here. Okay, this is rear window wiper fuse. So if yours doesn't work, okay, pull that fuse, check it, and replace it if you need to. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe to the Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.